Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable your keyboard on Windows 11 or Windows 10 in your laptop or your desktop. So if you're looking to disable your keyboard on your computer, this video is for you. The first thing you do is go to your search bar and type Device Manager. You click on it. What you're going to do now is you look for keyboard. You click on the particular keyboard you wish to disable. After doing that, right click on it and select. You can either select uninstall the device. Okay, you can either uninstall the device and that will permanently disable the keyboard, or you go to properties. You go to the driver properties, and from there now you come to driver. From there, what you'll see is either the driver details or update drivers. What you are interested here in is to disable the device. So you can either click disable device, or you simply just uninstall the particular keyboard driver of which you want to disable. And that's it for the tutorials. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.